Mommy, she's putting the bird in her mouth. She's putting the bird in her mouth. Come on, let's go. Kailangan niya ng rehab. Hindi na to nakakatawa.
Hoy. Did you just put the bird inside your mouth?
Yes.
Ano to, papansin?
Huh? Papansin to.
Why are you doing that? Sino normal na brain maglalagay ng bird sa mouth?
Cute eh. So cute.
Harley, that's wrong. Kadiri ka. Yan yung napapanood mo pag sa mga
She rolled her eyes.
YouTube.
She rolled her eyes.
Wait, she did?
She rolled her eyes. Trust me, she rolled her eyes. I
Harley,
saw your eyes,
you do
bro.
not put the bird inside your mouth. That's wrong. Yung germs niyan.
But I just took a shower.
Hindi porkit nag-shower, you will put the bird in the mouth. Don't do that, Harley.
She rolled her eyes. Even though you didn't see that. You rolled your eyes.
Okay.
Harley.
What do you think about
Hey, you're listening, but you're rolling your eyes at mommy.
What you said about listening?
No, Harley, you are listening, but you're still rolling your eyes. Baliwala.
Paano baliwala yan?
Do you even know what baliwala means?
Yes.
What?
It means like there's no use, but that's actually not the truth.
So you didn't roll your eyes.
I rolled my
You want me
eyes.
to roll back the video?
No, I didn't say it.
Johnny!
Wow.
Di ka. Johnny, bilis.
Nakikisaw ka.
Halika.
Nakikisaw mo.
Nag-roll ba ng eyes lagi to? Harley? Oo.
Hmm.
Madalas?
Hmm.
Ah, madalas mag-roll ng eyes.
Hindi lang sa'yo, hindi lahat ng tao dito sa bahay.
Susumbong eh. Bakit ka nakikisaw-saw? The problem
Hindi ka bago nagtagalog.
What?
Hindi ka bago nagtagalog.
I wasn't asking. I wasn't asking. I
You
wasn't
just
asking
need
if
to
I
know.
was.
I don't need you to ask me. I just need you to
No,
know.
I didn't.
Harley,
I
kasi
don't
nakita ka niya, sinusubo mo yung bird. So,
Okay,
wrong
I
yun.
accept it,
Hindi
I
siya
accept it.
nagsusumbongera.
Yeah, I do.
Kasi mo kasama roll eyes.
What's your problem ba?
You accept it, but you roll your eyes. Imagine me. I accept the problem, but I roll
Are you the problem ba? Are you the problem ba?
Bida, bida, bida.
How are you related? How are you related to this problem?
I'm trying to follow. You're not follow her.
I don't know.
Hindi kasi mo.
I don't know.
Do not throw that at me. Why?
Oh, first of all, ba't mo sinubo yung bird?
Cute eh. Super cute. Gigil.
Ano ba yung bird na yan talaga? Sabi ko sa'yo, ipa-fry ko yan. Nang makain mo talaga ng totoo yan. I'll fry your bird.
Feelings.
Ow! You're not supposed to use your hands.
Magkasabi lang. Magkasabi lang.
That's too heavy.
Yan.
That was too heavy.
What? Oh! 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 Ano na yan?
Tama. Huwag
Stop na.
kang feeling pangit.
I told you, you can't speak Tagalog. Just stop.
Why can't I speak Tagalog?
Harley, stop. Shield.